Now that is some beautiful smoked turkey breast. Did this on my pellet grill. You should give this a try. Give a watch. See how I did it. Hey, so it's Jeff with BBQPlus, and today we're gonna roast up a turkey breast. So this is about a 6-pound turkey breast, and it is basted already, so we're not gonna need to brine it or anything. We're just gonna put some rub on this, put it in the smoker, and taste something wonderful. And the package, this was previously frozen. Put it in the refrigerator, let it thaw. These will always take longer than you think it is for it to thaw. So this was in for about 4 days. And open that up. Lots of juice in there. We're gonna take this inside, rinse it off. Look at that. Lots of juice for us to be able to wash off. So, all the giblets, we're not going to use those. So this is all patted dry and ready to go. We're going to use this Misco Mountain, a ranch flavor, Misco Mountain. So it's a chipotle ranch mix. I think this will be really good. So this is going to go on my Green Mountain. I've got a Green Mountain Daniel Boone, and going to throw this on that pellet grill. We're going to put it at 225 and make some just wonderful turkey breast goodness on this. Got some great smoke started here. This is the Daniel Boone. So we're going to put this fella on here. I put it on an extra little rack. That's a nice way to be able to move it around, and it doesn't stick as much to the racks that are in the grill itself. Makes it a little bit easier for cleanup. Handy little remote on this model, which is kind of nice to be able to monitor it from a little bit of a distance. And I've got it set up low. We're going to run it about 160 degrees. That'll give us some good smoke on here. Green Mountain does a great job of the way that these work. On their pellet grills, kind of the cool thing it does is once it gets up to temperature, it kind of pulses, and that promotes a little bit more smoke on the grill itself. They use a PID controller, which really makes sure that you are in at just the right temperature, holds it really steady. I've been a big fan of Green Mountain. I've got this guy, the Daniel Boone, but then I've also got a small one, which is a Davy Crockett. Those are great to be able to take camping, RVing, kind of out on location. Not real big, but hey, if it's just my wife and I, we're not cooking for the whole family, that's not bad. So let's take a look. Looks like we've got some good smoke coming on here, some good color. We're sitting at 164 on the Green Mountain, and just dropping a little bit of smoke on here for a bit of time. It's probably been going for about 45 minutes to an hour. And now we're going to crank that up a little bit, since we really impart the smoke in the initial hour or so. We're going to now kick this up a little bit so that we can cook it through. So currently at 168. Gonna go up to 225. Going right along at 225. Had this going for a couple hours. Quick little look there. Seems to be doing well. So now I think what we're going to do is to baste this a little bit with a little bit of olive oil. Just going to put this in a sprayer and just spray it on the outside. That'll help crisp up that skin as we go through the process. We'll also take a temperature and see where we're at for internal. So we got the instant read thermometer here, the Thermo Pro. Just kind of put that in. Yeah, we're running 115 there. Trying not to hit any bone. 117. So we definitely have some room to go. And here's just a little bit of olive oil that we're just going to kind of spritz on there a little bit. So this is, I think, like maybe like a pampered chef or something that my wife had. Just put a little bit of olive oil, and that'll just coat the outside, give it a little bit of goodness on there. That'll help us to be able to crisp up that skin. And we'll go inside also. So I'm going to button this up and just let it continue in at that 225. We're looking for 165 for our number on that. 152, 180 on that end. And in the front here, we've got 163. Let's see what we got there. 160, I think we're pretty close. Just need to give this a little bit more time. I'm going to actually spin this bird. Just kind of go a little different direction. That might change the heat a little bit. But I think this is looking pretty wonderful. We just need to get it up just that few degrees more. Need to see up into about 165. And we're so close. Not going to be long. All right, we are finally probing out at 165, so this is done. I'm going to grab this guy off of here, transfer it over. Oh, look at that. The screen comes with it also. Perfect, so this is going to be ready to go. I'm going to take this inside the house and just put it under an aluminum foil tent for a few minutes, and then we'll cut into it and see what this tastes like. Looking pretty good. Smells wonderful out here. Looking forward to it. So now we're ready to cut into this and see what this guy tastes like. Wow, looks really nice. I think we'll just cut right into the side here. Wow. Looks terrific. I think we're going to try a little piece. A little bit off the end right here. Tender, the outside is crispy, and that's a really good spice rub on there. I am really satisfied with this. I think this turned out better than I expected. Look at this. Look at that nice crispiness on the skin. Still really moist inside. I would give this a try. Hey, if you like watching these videos, you like what I'm doing, throw me some comments. Tell me what you're liking to cook. Challenge me to cook something else. Share this information with your friends. Give me a like down on the bottom, and subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss when I cook something new. Time to dive in for some more. Hey, and it's time for you guys to figure out what you're going to cook in your backyard this weekend. Thanks for watching. That is wonderful stuff.